Hello my dear students, today we are going to see that introduction part, that is recapitulation part for the term 1. Okay, whatever we have learned in term 1, the chapter wise and the interior part of the chapter. Okay, so listen, from the chapter first we have learned about the integers. What is that? For term 1 we have learnt about integers. So whatever we have what all things we have studied in integers: addition of integers, subtraction of integers, multiplication of integers, and word problems according to that. Okay, so addition and subtraction and multiplication together will come under word problems. Is it right? Yes, of course. So from the chapter 1 we have learned about these things. Okay, now from chapter 2 we are going to see that measurement. What is that? Measurement. We know that whatever measurement, see listen, measurement, we are having the measurement as shapes. So in 6th standard itself you have learned about the square, rectangle, likewise shapes and all. In 7th standard we learned about, in first term, rhombus, parallelogram and trapezium. Is it right? So these three things we have completed in 2.1 exercise, 2.2 exercise and 2.3 exercise. So according to the formula, area of rhombus is equal to half into d1 into d2. Area of parallelogram is equal to b into h, and area of the trapezium is equal to half into h into a plus b. According to this formula, we substituted the formulas in the given sums. Then we have we calculated the answer. Is it right? Yes, of course. So now we are going to see that what is the next chapter after this measurements. So we have completed third chapter. That is, third chapter is nothing but we know that it is algebra. Is it right? Yes. Third chapter is nothing but it is algebra. Then algebraic expression. We learnt about algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? 3x plus 2y. If the equation, so equation is nothing but if it is equal to 0, it will be coming as an equation. And algebraic equation is expression is nothing but the terms. This is one term and this is second term. So the term will come within the arithmetic operation. Okay, so it is known as algebraic expression. 3x and 2y. So listen, 3x and 2y, if they have given 3x and 2y, we know that 3x is the first term and 2y is the second term. So according to that, see listen, term 1, it is factor 1 has, factor 1 is 3 and factor 2 is x. So 3 is a numerical value for x. What is that? Numerical value for x variable. So x, wherever the alphabetic letters comes, it is known as variables, and wherever the alphabetic letters within some numerical value, it is considered as an coefficient. What is that? Coefficient of that that variable. Understand? Now after this we are going to see that, see listen, factor 1 and factor 2. So apart from this, we are going to take the addition, multiplication, subtraction and division also for algebraic expression. So we have completed algebra. So after this, fourth chapter. What is that fourth chapter? Direct and inverse proportion. So direct and inverse proportion is nothing but, direct means we have to take out the numbers directly. Indirect means we have to take out the numbers reciprocal. Okay. So in the ratio, okay, in the ratio, then one has been the calculated thing has to be keep in the left hand side, and others it should be move on to right hand side and find out the answer. So likewise the word problems come in both inverse and direct proportion. After that we saw the unitary method. Unitary method is nothing but, we know that, see listen, I have solved the sum for you. Okay, so see listen, this is the sum for that thing. So machines, so they have given that machines and days. They have given that machines and days. So what is the machines numbers? So 36 and 54 days. 36 machines. With the help of 36 machines they have completed the work in 54 days. How many machines will carry over for 81 days? Okay, so now we have to calculate that. So I have already explained that. So we have to take that 36 into 54. Then after that x into 81. Likewise, we have to take that is the calculated thing has to be keep it in the left hand side. Others it should move on to other side. Okay, so now we are going to take this x on left hand side. So listen, the same in same side it will be having, we should move this 81 to there. Okay, so we can write like this also. So x is equal to 36 by, into 54 by 81. So it will happen 4 into 6 while cancelling those number, 4 into 6 is the answer. So 4 6 are, what is the answer? 24 machines. So we have completed 4th chapter also. Then we are going to move that to the 5th chapter. So whatever we have completed in 5th chapter, we know that angles. Is it right? Yes. Angles we have completed in 5th chapter. What are the angles? Complementary angles, supplementary angles, adjacent angles and vertically opposite angles. 4 angles are there. So complementary, supplementary, adjacent and vertically opposite angles. Complementary is nothing but 90 degree, supplementary is nothing but 180 degree, then adjacent angles is nothing but nearby angles, vertically opposite angles is nothing but opposite angles. Okay, now we have completed those things, geometry also. Then we are going to see that Chapter 6, Information Processing. What does mean by information processing? It is tetrominos. We have completed information processing as tetrominos. That is 2 power 2 as a boxes. Okay, so 4 boxes it will be present there. So we have to calculate like this. So route map also we have completed. How should we move in a short way? So we can calculate the kilometers and we can say the easy way to Vivekananda Memorial Hall. Okay, so likewise we have completed all those things in the term 1 students. Just a recapitulation, just recap everything, just go through with your class works. Okay, thank you students.